If you ever stumble while chasing your dreams, remember, you will find a truth about you. You will get the clue of it. So, stumbling is never a mistake. Never your fault. Remember it. Hi Pips, welcome to the channel of Folio Mode. I'm Ritika Chatterjee and back with hashtag Folio Fridays book review, and today's book is Sin is the New Love, the work of Abir Mukherjee. This book shows the journey of an aspiring publisher and an avid reader who is a dreamer of an author, Devang Awasthi. This shows that how much she is into such books and her dream to publish a work of that Devang Awasthi. Perhaps you would be thinking that who this girl is. Her name is Ahi Chatterjee. But there a time comes when she stumbles and gets to know about a truth. A truth, not an ordinary, but about her origin. To get to know more about this story, you got to get this book on your table. When she stumbles on that truth of her, it clashes between her fictional world and reality. Well, none of us know when the truth will hit us. What is it and what's about, right? The way Ahi used to adore that author's work as if all those characters from his book were Ahi's second skin. She treated like it. What I loved about Abir Mukherjee's work is how he made the fiction, the suspense, all mix and merge things. Then he brought this peace, and this Ahi, the protagonist, can be found in all of the readers like us, like me. Well, I was not into suspense or such kind of mystery murder fiction books, but I wanted to give it a shot because I used to see my friends how they are so much into such books. And I used to think that why they are reading such books. I mean, it's all about murder and maybe negative. But then I wanted to shift my concept and I wanted to read something new, and then I gave this book a shot. And to be very honest, that's when I realized that how come my friends love such books. Okay, I won't brag much and give spoilers about it, because more I will give, the more you will lose interest of reading, and there is of no use. I mean, you have to read. Anyway, so that's all for now. I hope that you like watching this video. If you do, give it a biggie thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your folio readers and who want to try to change in their mind. To get some change, you can go for it. I am giving the books link in the description box below. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to get notified for my upcoming videos. It might be Folio Friday and it might be a little bit of surprise. Stay tuned. Bye bye.